both have cesarean scars. Put your hand up if your birthday is the 25th of February. Anyone? 25th of February? No. It's a chance. They say if there's 100 people in the room, there's a better chance than not of people sharing a birthday. I'm 25th of February. No, 25th of February. What a shame we had a $1,000 gift voucher for anyone who shared that date. Ah, the hand's going up. Come in. Keep that noise going, that bubble, bubble, bubble of conversation. Why don't somebody tweet something right now about this conference? Is Daryl Nichols in the room?